Hi everybody, welcome back to Fun Sassy with Coffee. I'm Marina, and Brooklyn's actually behind the camera today.
Hi everyone.
Because she didn't want to deal with all my books. Anyway, it's going to be a two-parter today because there is a lot of books in here. And so I'm going to start with the biggest two. I'll put that to the side. So the book haul today was BookOutlet and ChristianBook.com. As you guys know, we are if you don't know, we are a homeschool family. And so most of these are resources, but the Christian book one actually is going to be some curriculum. So anyway, before we get started, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. And yeah, just share some of your homeschooling journey or tips. Okay, let's get started. I opened them before, but I don't know. I do know what's inside some of them, but I didn't look inside when they got here. Right. Oh. Okay, that's just the invoice. Okay. Oh my goodness, lots of books. I don't know where to start. Oh gosh. Okay, I remember some of these, but then some of them I don't. Okay, this one is called Armistice. Armistice, I guess. Armistice. So this is, oh my, it's a picture book. So it's really neat. Some of the pictures are amazing. So this is pretty much talking about 1900s, 1918 with Germany and Great War. So these are really cool videos.
Pictures.
Pictures, thank you. Alright, next is, this definitely is for me. Organize your way to and simple strategies for every personality. Okay. Oh, I'll look later. This one is a fun book. Pop Science, Serious Answers to Deep Questions Posed in Songs. These are kind of like, it's kind of like Jeopardy. So it gives you different questions, and then it kind of gives you the meaning behind the songs and fun things like that. This is a resource for school. Liberty, How the Revolutionary War Began. Landmark books are awesome. So these are really pretty cool. I could be here forever. I love books. The next one, oh my goodness, there's a bunch of different kind of books. I forgot. This one's called The Orchestra. And also a picture book, but it's also talking about different kinds of instruments. And another one, this is a cookbook, Chef Gino's Taste Test Challenge, 100+ winning recipes that any kid can cook. I have a grandson who loves cooking, my little chef, so I kind of bought this for him, even though we can all do these. But these are really fun. Let me just real quick. Just really simple little recipes. And, oh wow, this one. Ooh, I love this. Where Valor Rests, Arlington National Cemetery 150th Anniversary Edition, National Geographic. So these are just pictures and stories of all the heroes, men and female, who were laid to rest in Arlington National Cemetery. So this is definitely amazing. I'm excited about that. Okay. The other one is The Legends of Easter Treasury, Inspirational Stories of Faith and Hope. These books are so, I love the covers. They're so cool. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. And the pictures, look at that. These are amazing. I love that. And, okay, I'm trying to see what this is about. Here's another one, National Geographic, Veterans' Voices, Remarkable Stories of Heroism, Sacrifice, and Honor. These are more stories of all the heroes.
Uncle Si. Oh, sorry.
These are all stories of heroes. So, alright, and this is 5 Minutes with Jesus, A Fresh Infusion Joy. So it's by Sheila Walsh. It's like a devotional. So, right there. And so these are just little daily 5-minute things. I love the color, and I think this is why I got it too, because it's chevron, it's navy blue and white, and my theme colors in the house, living room and dining room are same color. Okay, and these are the some of the who was, where is books. Ordered more of those. If you saw the last one that I did, you'll see a lot of those. So this one is, what was the bombing of Hiroshima? Who was Amelia Earhart?
Hey.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Where is the Amazon? Oh, this one got bent. Who was Abigail Adams? And I got 3 of these. This is the one that's in this box. This is the Thrifty Guide to the American Revolution, a handbook for the time travelers. So this is cool. So it talks about different people that were involved in the American Revolutionary War. Alright, next box. These are heavy.
There's a lot of books.
Here are all the other ones. More of the who was. This one is, who was H.J. Heinz? The name gives it away. We should all know.
Heinz ketchup.
Ketchup, my favorite ketchup. Okay, who was Sam Walton? Everybody knows who that is. Let's see if there's any more. Yes. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
What is the Statue of Liberty? Yeah, Lady Liberty. And then my favorite. What is the story of Wonder Woman?
She loves Wonder Woman.
She's my favorite. Okay, what else is in here? And here, oh, they gave me the same book. It was supposed to be a different one. Alright, we got 2 of these, so we'll have to do something about that. So here's the Thrifty Guide to Ancient Greece, a handbook for time travelers. So this also just talks about all, this is going to be a resource book for homeschooling Alexander the Great, so it's got everybody that was dealing with ancient Greece. Let's see if I find the other one. Oh well, I'll see it. You'll see it when I get to it. Mom and Me, a journal for mothers and daughters. So this is secrets to share, memories to keep for mom and daughters. It's got a Target sticker on there, but this came from Book Outlet, and the price is amazing. I love this because we could kind of journal. So it gives you, the mom writes on this side, and the daughter writes on this side. So it's kind of more of a, alright, that was really cool. Next one is, this also goes with our Spanish that we're going to be doing together later on in the new year. Latino Americans, the 500-year legacy that shaped the nation. So I got this, can you see that? The Surrender Tree. So this is a bilingual book. I got it for me, but I also got it so that Brooklyn can start reading Spanish. The Surrender Tree, El Árbol de la Redención. So it's kind of bilingual book, chapter book, and so it talks about just different independence for different Latin communities. Then Incredible True Stories of Immigrants in America. This one's called Little America. And so it has true stories that inspired the Apple original. Interesting. We'll have to get one of that. Oh wow, this is another big one. Oh, woo! Eli's gonna love this. How Comics Work. It's a graphic.
Hey, Green Lantern. I think
it's a graphic novel, and it's pretty thick. The retail on this is $24.99, but I think I only paid $4 or $5. So this is really neat. My grandson is gonna love that. Can you see that? Okay, that's really neat. Incredible Creatures and Creations of the Bible. I think I got two different ones of these. These are kind of neat, and this is gonna go with our history. Look at those pictures. And Brooklyn's gonna like this one. Eliza.
Oh, you got it! Ooh.
So it's the story of Elizabeth Schuyler Hamilton. It's a picture book.
Oh my gosh.
I know it's for the younger kind of kids, but I thought it was going to be neat because she loves Hamilton. And I thought even though it's just a picture book, it does give you some stories. Hold on. It gives you some stories, so I thought that was kind of neat.
Oh my gosh. Ah.
Then also, because we're going to be doing careers and trades this coming year, the unit study I got from Gather Round, I thought this would be interesting so that they could look into different jobs and how to write resumes and stuff. So it's called the Everything Job Interview Book. So, and this one. Who was Ronald Reagan? And two more in here. This is more for play, and actually we're going on vacation, so we'll take this for the plane and also on our way back. We're driving back. So this is Hangman Puzzles for vacation. So it's hours. So you scratch it. So here's the hangman. You just scratch different
Oh yeah, I've seen those.
things on there, and you can play tons of. And the last one, which is one of my favorites, it's American Sanctuary, Mutiny, Martyrdom, and National Identity in the Age of the Revolution. Chapter book. So this is neat. It's got like copies of original documents. All right. So
those are a lot of books.
I don't even know how much I lost. I didn't even count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and then this one's 32, so I'm going to have to figure out if I'm going to do this in a giveaway eventually when we get to a certain amount of subscribers, or I'll find somebody to give this to. But anyway. Woo!
31 books.
A lot of books. And none of these books, I did not pay more than $5 for any of these books. So that's why it's a huge book haul. Anyway, guys, I think I'm done with part 1. We will be doing part 2. So I hope you like that. If you have any questions or want to know more about any of these books, just put it in the comments below, and I will respond. Thank you, guys. See you next time.